Hi everyone and welcome in our new tutorial of Newbie Matter. Today we are going to explain the HLOOKUP formula. It is similar to the VLOOKUP formula that we demonstrated in the previous tutorial video. You can check it and subscribe to our channel. So let's open the file and see how this formula is used in Excel. As you can see, there is a horizontal shaped table with continents and their level of unemployment statistic. What you may need to do in your everyday files is to check if a value does match a certain tag in a multi-column database. For this, HLOOKUP comes in handy. In fact, both HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP are both used to search in a very large amount of database. And you can use them to check if a value does match a certain tag. To use the HLOOKUP formula to check the unemployment rate for all the continents, we are just going to type the equal sign and then just type HLOOKUP. The cell that we wish to check is Europe, so the cell number 3. Just type the comma sign and select the table that we wish to check. Comma sign again. The value that we want to check is in the column number 2, so just type 2, comma sign again, double click false and close the parenthesis. Enter. We'll just drag down the formula and we can notice that for the other continents there is a not applicable value. This happens because we can see that the table has gone down in this case, and even if we click here, for example, we can see that the table has gone down. So to block the table, to block the search that we wish to make in this table here, we will just draw the dollar sign between G and 8 and between L and 9. So in this case we have blocked the table. Just drag down and we can notice that if we click here, for example, the table is blocked. If you click here, the table is blocked as well. I have prepared another table to check for the unemployment rate for the other countries. I'll just do the same. Just type the equal sign and type HLOOKUP. I'm going to select the cell, put the comma sign, select the table, and put, of course, dollar sign, comma sign again, in the column number 2, comma sign, false, and close parenthesis, enter. I'll just drag down. So I can see that there are two not applicable values. In this case, because New Zealand and Australia, they are not in the table here. What we can do to make it more comfortable, we can just use the IFERROR. So before the HLOOKUP formula and after the equal sign, I'll just type IFERROR, and after the formula I'll put the comma sign and I'll write not listed. Close the parenthesis, enter, drag down. So I can see that both continents and countries, they are not listed in my statistics. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thank you.